Live up Youthman life. Live up Youthman life. Live up Yo, the youth man arise and no time for slide. Work hard on the grind, keep the faith inside. Every struggle we face, we a go face it strong. Inna the ghetto we a keep on, keep on. Life no easy but we never give in. Chase the dream like a king, let the journey begin. We a plant good seeds so we reap the right fruit. Keep the fire blazing in our heart so cute. No matter the odds, we a push the limit. From the block to the top, we a go live it. Live up youth man, rise like the sun. Put the work in, show them how it's done. Overcome the struggle, rise above the pain. Live up youth man, let the blessings rain. From morning till night, we a hustle and strive. No time to sit down, we a work to survive. Pick up the tools, feel the sweat on we brow. With every step forward, we a make them know. Enough youths in the streets, I lose them way, but we a stand tall, firm like a lion sway. Teach the youth to dream, show them how to fly. With the love of the Almighty, we a touch the sky. Keep the vibes positive, never lose sight. In the darkest days, we a shine so bright. Live up youth man, rise like the sun. Put the work in, show them how it's done. Overcome the struggle, rise above the pain. Live up youth man, let the blessings rain. Ghetto youth, listen, the world is your stage. No matter the system, you can break out the cage. Unleash the potential, let your talent shine. No need to follow bad man, stay true to your line. Find your passion, chase it, don't let it fade. In the rhythm of life, find the path you made. We have dreams to fulfill, no visions to see. Unity in our hearts, the strength and the key. So rise up, stand strong, lift your voice and sing. The future is bright just like the birds in a spring. Live up youth man, rise like the sun. Put the work in, show them how it's done. Overcome the struggle, rise above the pain. Live up youth man, let the blessings rain. Now hear me say, the journey no easy, but we are rise above, never get too busy. From the hills to the valleys, we arise as one. In the fight for life, we have to overcome. No boy can hold we down, we are run our race. With resilience in our heart and a smile on we face. So push the limit, stretch your wings and fly. Enough potentials in you, reach for the sky. Together we stand and together we play. In this world of strife, we are find our way. So when the road get tough and the nights get cold, remember youth man, you are the future bold. Hold your head high, keep the faith alive. In the struggle, it's your will to survive.